This tutorial is for Absolute Crochet Beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you will know the main crochet stitches and their abbreviations. 1. Chain stitch. 2. Single crochet stitch. 3. Double crochet stitch. 4. Treble crochet stitch. 'How to crochet the chain stitch. Make a slip knot. This is a slip knot. Hold the tail with 2 fingers as demonstrated. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull a loop. Reposition your fingers as you go to get a good grip and tension. Repeat same steps until you get desired length. That's how you crochet the chain stitch. Watch part 2 to learn how to single crochet. Till next time, thanks for watching.